Hey, orchid lovers! Welcome to my blissful garden. No need for expensive fertilizers or complicated techniques. Today, I'm going to share with you a powerful little trick that pro orchid growers probably don't want you to know. Stay tuned. This might change how you care for your orchids forever. Worried about your orchid turning yellow, wilting, and looking like it's on the verge of dying? Don't worry, I'm right here with you. Let's bring it back to life together. As you can see, the roots are rotting and almost completely dried out. They're weak, brittle, and clearly struggling. Our orchid needs some serious help. Fungal infections are often the culprit behind root rot and waterlogging. Quick question, where are you watching from? Comment your country or city below. I love seeing how far our little orchid family reaches. Let's gently clean the plant to remove all the dust and dirt. Now it's time for a little trimming. Let's remove any dead or damaged parts. Let's soaking it for 15 minutes. Next, we're going to use 1 spoonful of sugar. Sugar acts as a natural energy source for orchids. It helps stimulate root growth, boosts recovery in stressed plants. Next, we'll add a small spoon of dry yeast. Just 1 teaspoon is enough. Pouring 500 milliliters warm of water. This little ingredient is packed with B vitamins and nutrients that help our orchid absorb minerals better and boost healthy root development. Let the plant dry for about 20 minutes. Once the plant is dry, we'll gently soak the leaves in the sugar solution we just made. Combine it with the sugar water. Pour solution into small bowl. Place the orchid into the solution to soak. Soak it for 30 minutes. After soaking for 30 minutes, it's time to give our orchid a fresh new home. Repotting helps the plant breathe better and encourage strong, healthy root growth. Are you having any trouble with your orchids? Let me know in the comments, and I'll answer your questions in the next video. If you see any bruised or damaged leaves, it's best to trim them off. Water the orchid to give it some moisture and keep it hydrated. Do you prefer big, bold orchid blooms or long-lasting flowers? Comment 1 for big blooms or 2 for lasting beauty. Don't toss out the leftover solution. It's still packed with nutrients. Instead, use it to water your other plants or orchids. You can also pour the solution into a spray bottle and mist your orchids or other plants. It's a gentle way to keep them hydrated and nourished. Let's care for this one just like we did with the previous plant. Same love, same steps. Just a quick reminder, only water your orchids with this solution twice a week. Overwatering can lead to root rot and mold, which we definitely want to avoid. Take a look at the leaves. After 3 weeks, they've clearly improved too. The ones that were yellowing before are now greener and feel much firmer. After just 3 weeks of using the special solution I shared, the roots look totally different. New green root tips are popping out. Plump and healthy, that's a clear sign the orchid is soaking up water and nutrients really well. Make sure to water the orchid twice a week with this solution. Now let's soak the whole plant and water it thoroughly for about 30 minutes, everyone. This really helps the orchid absorb all the nutrients, especially after repotting or trimming the roots. And that's it for today. I hope these tips help your orchid grow stronger and bloom beautifully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next orchid care tips. See you in the next video. Happy gardening and take care.